In front of me is ZTE Blade V50, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access passwords and accounts. Following that, click on this gear next to Google under Autofill service and click on Google Passwords Manager. Then just click on one of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your current screen lock. Lastly, tap on this eye next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!